Alright, quiz 2.07, example 4. We have if 3 times x minus 2 equals negative 15, then x equals negative 3. So we're going to fill in this proof. So the first part of our proof is always this if in an algebraic proof. So that should be that exactly. And that is our given. And so how did we get from this step to this step? We distributed the 3 to the x, 3x. And then we distributed the 3 to the negative 2 and got negative 6. So that's the distributive property. And then the next thing we have to do is we are going to add 6 to both sides. So we add 6 to both sides. And we can tell that because 3x is left by itself on this next step. So we know somehow we got this to equal 0. And the only way to get that to equal 0 is to add 6. And we have to do it to both sides. When we add 6 to both sides, that is the addition property of equality. When we do the actual arithmetic, that is simplifying. And now we have to divide both sides by 3. That is the division property of equality. And then x equals negative 3, that is simplifying.